talk to us a little bit more about the ongoing programs of Milo.
Thank you, Carlo. Thank you, Jenny. So today is a great day for sports. So it's actually not just a great day, great year for sports. So aside from EJ, we all have the whole lineup of Filipino athletes who raise our flags on an international level. So as Carlo mentioned, Milo stays true to our advocacy of building a nation of champions. But I'd like to build that further today, that we build a nation of champions on a grassroots level. So that's why today, aside from highlighting the partnership of with our partnership with EJ Obiena, we take that on a grassroots level with our partnership also with DepEd. So as we all know, all of our champions go through school and other extracurricular activities where their dreams are born. So actually for today, for your information, we'll be visiting Oranbo School, wherein EJ would meet some of his young fans who want to be inspired and who also dream of inspiring the nation through the values of sport. So it's very exciting. It's a very exciting day. We want we're very appreciative of EJ being here, gracing us with his presence. And we're very excited on the future plans and especially the partnership with Milo in inspiring and building a nation of champions. So thank you very much and exciting day ahead.